know what? I think we should go to the next hot joint that I got. I'm Stacks. What y'all think?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Let me see if you know this one. I'm gonna see if you know this one. You can't even see you. Let's get out the car. Let me see if you know this one. It's a cold world, better bundle up this season. Assassination clowns, so just give me a reason. Your whole style's deceiving, my dreams I believe in. Your man's got cold slipping, so Stacks had to creeping. Hip-hop needs some tweaking, get back to them ciphers. That shit that unite us, filled us up with fire. Will not rest retired, cause I do inspire the one after me, so y'all will not retire. Hip-hop needs some rebirth, cause y'all got it twisted. Cause y'all sounding stupid, let's stick to the business. Can y'all really rap, cause it's really depressing. With all my hip-hop heads, this game got me stressing. Let this be a lesson. They raps with some meaning. They send Stacks to help y'all to do some house cleaning. I